Let's make simple pipe connector assembly in SolidWorks, and we will create connector and pipe separately and assemble at the end. I hope you like it. So let's do this simple assembly in SolidWorks. Let's create parts and assembly of steel pipe connector. You will see here there is a one T type of connection, not T type, a kind of T type, and there are 6 number of pipe we will assemble with bolt. Bolt we will took from toolbar. So all dimensions are in millimeter. Material alloy steel, bolts nut taken from toolbox. Steel connector thickness 2 millimeter. Okay. Now look, this is the steel connector. Now there are 3 types of view. Let's say from one side. Length 20 plus 32, 52. Height 32 or 30 plus 22, 52. High length and height is same, and there is a one valve. This valve thickness is 2 millimeter. We will observe here. Now there are 3 types of valve. 1, 2, 3. You will see in all 3 aspects. So let's try to do this. And this is the symmetric dimensions are symmetric all across. Okay, so let's do this first. Front plane, sketch. Now activate line tool. Okay. Okay, this is one side. We have to create another side also. 52. Exactly 32 plus 20, it's 52. And this one side is 22. Okay. Now similarly, let's select these 2 sides equal. Now length and width same, equal. See, extrude. Now observe width also the same, 22. See here width 22, 22. We will achieve the same. Keep end condition blind and depth is 22 millimeter. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, activate corner rectangle. See, this is fully defined. Extrude. Now this is going to extrude 22, so this is going to be 30. Okay. Now let's check this width. 52. This back width 52. And this width 52. Fine. Now at center we have to define these 3 radius. These 3 radius you will observe from here. We mention here R6, R8. This is the outside, this is the inside. R8 3 number of radius. Then there is 9 type of R4 radius. Okay. So let me activate this one. Clear. Fillet type constant size. Now here let me choose 8. If I am going to select this all, it is not going to accept. So let me clear one first. Again choose fillet. Same fillet R8, these 2. Okay. Now let's create wall. Now wall thickness is going to be 2 millimeter. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, connect and make a closed geometry. Now go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Now this is fully defined sketch. Make thickness only 2 millimeter. Look, this is going outside, so change direction. Similarly, I'll do for other side. Let me activate line tool. Corner to corner. Again activate extruded boss base feature. 2 millimeter make thickness inside, so just reverse this. See, now what the last one, sketch line, connect from this end to this end, extrude, keep end condition line, thickness 2 millimeter, reverse. Now let's come here, fillet. Now we have to apply fillet. Now this one is R4, so let's say this one we will make apply later. Fillet, same R4. Now let's see, if we choose only one edge, it will select continuous edge, because these edges are tangent to each other. That's why we make these three first. Okay, now we have this 9 R4 radius. Now we have to make this one 2 millimeter thick, so we will use shell feature. Appearance, okay, let's add material so it looks more visible. Alloy steel, apply, close. But for appearance I am going to apply something like different. Nickel, polished nickel. Oh, that's look beautiful. Shell feature, make 2 millimeter thick. Now let's check all the edges what I don't want. Even select this. So here we have to keep thickness 2 millimeter. Show preview. It is difficult to see, but okay. And here we go. See, this is the R shape. Now look, the edges are not perfectly aligned. Now see, these edges are R5, 6 number of R5. Then there is a hole 6 millimeter from here, and this is diagonally at center. Let's do this. Fillet. Now here choose face fillet 5 millimeter, and let me select face 1, face 2. You will see the preview. It looks little better. See, we have to do for all 5. Okay, we done. Due to this, there is something wrong happened, but that's okay. It's not bother us. Sketch circle. Let's draw one circle here, 6 diameter. Now let me select center line and connect this center line to midpoint of this line. Just keep cursor, or you will see this yellow box. This is the midpoint. So click here. Now make relation. Select these two edge tangent. Smart dimension 6 millimeter. Extruded cut and keep end condition through all. Okay. Similarly, this face, I am going to repeat the same thing. extruded cut, keep through all. Okay, similarly do for this. Connect center line to midpoint. Where is midpoint? Okay, here. Select this outer edge and this line tangent. 6. Extruded cut and make end condition through all. Say okay. Now see, our part is created. Let's make the next part new. I'm going to change the image quality. Now let's make the pipe 40 by 40, 4 millimeter thick, and this corner radius R16, 130 length. Okay. Front plane sketch. Let me create one 130, enter. This is fully defined sketch. Exit. Go to weldments, structural member. Now here I am going to choose standard ISO square tube, size 40 into 4. That's it. Now here we have to choose the profile. So we have to choose the group or line. Select this one. Say okay. Now let's check sketch, edit sketch. Now just change this radius. This is the outer radius for pipe. So this is going to be 6. So that is going to match with this. Exit. Okay, let's hide this. Okay. Now let's go and do assembly. New. Now let's bring first part, bring pipe connector. Now open and activate view origin, because I want to fix with origin point. If I move my cursor over origin, it will going to fix with this. See, I am going to move. See, click and see the part is going to fix with origin. See, this is the center point of this assembly. Okay, let's insert component 2, square tube. Now I want to rotate this, so let me select Z axis. Okay, that's fine. Mat. Select this face and this inside face. Okay, similarly we have to do for this. Select this inside face, this face, coincident. Now let's move. Okay, pipe is going to move, something like this. See, okay, let's fix this one with this edge, coincide. Now nothing is going to move. Let me hide this origin point. Now let's create one axis, front plane and right plane, 2 planes. You will see in yellow color. Okay, this is the center of this axis. Now let's make multiple number of components. So use circular component pattern. Now for here I am going to choose axis, 360 degree, 4 number of components. Let's say component. You will see the component preview. Say okay. Look. Now let's try some mirror component. Okay, let me do clear, make one more plane axis. This time I am going to use top plane, front plane, right plane, front plane. Okay, there is axis 2. Circular pattern. Now here I am going to choose this component. And here number of components 4, including this. Say OK. You will see. Check top plane, where exactly? Top plane at exactly is the center. So I am going to use here mirror component. Now top plane selected. Now here let me select the component. Okay, this is your first component. Next. Okay, let me check where exactly this component. Now here I am going to choose this option, create opposite hand version. Look. I am going to create only one, otherwise it's going to mesh. So see here in orientation I selected this one, clear opposite. Next. Okay. Create new, no need to create new file. Just simply choose create new drive in existing file. Say OK. See, otherwise this color going to change. Now let me select here circular pattern. Clear. Select this component. And here axis, I am going to choose the first axis. 4 number of patterns. You will see the preview. Equal spacing. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now again I am going to, okay, we can use this circular component. Axis selected, component, let me select this. Now here I am going to change 90 degree. You will see here, it's going to create only one side, equal spacing. Now this I am going to mirror. So which plane? Right plane. Mirror component. Select this. Next, you will see the preview. I am going to select this first one, mirror XY, because this is going to meet our requirement. Component of origin. Okay. See, we did. Now here we have formed hexagon screw M6, 12 length and 12 number of screws. There is a nut also, hexagon nut also. You will see this 18.2.41 M1 into 6, 6 into M1. 1 is pitch actually. Okay. Toolbox, add in. Okay. Metric, bolts, hexagon head. Okay. Now let's activate first one. Okay. So just drop, drag, and just move and leave. See, this is going to fix at this. Now here change M6. Just check. Length, make little bigger, 12. And I want realistic, so here thread display schematic. See, it seems more practical. Say OK. Now let's fix in other hole. So just move cursor over hole, then face. Now once you see this sitting symbol, just click. Similarly, I am going for this hole, then sit symbol. Now you will see one sitting symbol near. Okay. Okay, we did this. Okay, let's come here. Let's check what else balance. Okay, this side. I think we're done. Okay, let's go to nut. Nut on same hexagon nut. Now we will use this one 18.2.4.1. Just okay. M6 schematic. Okay. Once you see sitting symbol, just click. Just move around the circular edge and sit. Okay, we did this. Okay, let's come here. That's fine. Now let's check what side balance. Okay, this is the one side because there are total 12 number of bolts. Okay, now we finished all. Now look, all the bolts, everything done. So this is a kind of pipe connector. We called it pipe connector. This is a not pipe. This is tube connector, but the name exactly called it pipe connector. So this is the way you can join many pipes together at one point. This is the important joint in steel structure. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.